Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Indoor Learning Academy. I am here again with the continuation of the video that is of Class 2 English Unit 2 Chapter 2 that is I Want. So children, in my previous video you must have seen up to this, we have completed up to this. Today we are going to start from this page. So let's start our session. Word building. Match the animal to its group. Now children, what you have to do here is, you have some animals here. You have to match these animals with this. So children, these are the examples of collective noun. What are these? These are the examples of collective noun. Now children, what are collective noun? Collective noun मतलब किसी भी चीज का गुच्छा जो एकदम ग्रुप में आते हैं. Fine children, what is collective noun? Collective noun का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज का गुच्छा. For example, bunch of keys. ये भी चाबियों का गुच्छा है. This is bunch of keys. I hope children this is visible. This is a collective noun. Bunch of keys. So next collective noun is bunch of grapes. We have bunch of grapes. Children, you must have eaten grapes. आपको ग्रेप्स, बहुत सारे बच्चों को ग्रेप्स पसंद होंगे. आप लोग ग्रेप्स खाते भी होंगे. जब आपकी मम्मा, जब आपके पापा ग्रेप्स लाते हैं तो आपने एक बात तो नोटिस की होगी, ग्रेप कभी भी एक थोड़ी लाते हैं, पूरा उसका गुच्छा लाते हैं. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बंच ऑफ ग्रेप्स. सो दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कलेक्टिव नाउन. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल मैंने आपको बताया था bunch of keys. I hope children this is visible enough. This is clearly visible to you. This is called as bunch of keys. Next example is bunch of grapes. And children, you must have seen the ants. आपने चींटियां तो देखी होंगी. काली चींटियां भी आती हैं, रेड एंट भी रहते हैं एंड ब्लैक एंट भी रहते हैं. You must have seen that. वो हमेशा गुच्छे में चलते हैं. आपने देखा होगा एक एंट कभी नहीं चलती है, हमेशा वो क्या करती है, गुच्छे में चलती है. So collective noun of ant is called as colonies of ant. उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? They are called as colonies of ants. Now you must have seen children. आपने फ्लावर्स भी देखे होंगे. हम लोग फ्लावर्स बहुत सारे लोगों को गिफ्ट भी करते हैं. So आपने देखा होगा, फ्लावर्स का गुच्छा देखा होगा. That is called as bouquet of flowers. What is that called as? That is called as a bouquet of flowers. A bouquet of flowers. So what are these children? All these are the examples of collective nouns. ये सारी चीजें क्या हैं? All these are the examples of collective noun. So collective nouns का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज का गुच्छा. मेरे पास अभी यही अवेलेबल है. So I can show you only this. This is a collective noun. यहाँ पे आप 3 चाबी भी लगा सकते हो. You can put 4 also. You can put 5 also. So this is called as bunch of keys. Now let's move to the worksheet. Now this is a bee. Bee का मतलब होता है मधुमक्खी. What is bee called as? Bee is called as मधुमक्खी. So collective noun of bee is swarm of bees. देखो यहाँ पे एक बी और यहाँ पे एक से ज्यादा बी. So what are they called as? They are called as swarm of bees. Collective noun of bee. Bee के collective noun को क्या कहते हैं? Bee के collective noun को swarm of bees कहते हैं. Next, this is cow. एक cow, बहुत सारे cow. बहुत सारे cows को क्या कहते हैं? They are called as a herd of cows. What are they called as? They are called as a herd of cows. एक काऊ को अपन काऊ कहते हैं. जो बहुत सारी काउस एक साथ जाती हैं तो उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? They are called as herd of cows. Next, a lion. एक lion को हम लोग lion कहते हैं. बहुत सारे lions को we call it as a pride of lions. So collective noun of lion is a pride of lions. Now let's move ahead. We have a bird. एक bird को अपन bird बोलते हैं. एक से ज्यादा birds को we call it as flock of birds. आपने देखा होगा जब आप शाम में टेरेस में जाते हैं, आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारी बर्ड्स अपने घर जाती हैं. क्यों जाती है? उनको भी आराम करना रहता है. वो भी सुबह से शाम तक घूमती रहती हैं, तो झुंड में जाती हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लॉक ऑफ बर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट वी हैव, लेट्स राइट. आई होप चिल्ड्रन यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. All these were the examples of collective nouns. bunch of grapes, bunch of keys, bouquet of flowers, colonies of ants, swarm of bees, a herd of cows, a pride of lions, a flock of birds. So all these are the examples of collective noun. Now let's move ahead. Let's write. The monkey wrote to his mother, I look awful. He made 2 mistakes. What are they? Write the sentence correctly. Now children, what is this? यहाँ पे monkey ने क्या लिखा अपनी मम्मा के लिए? I look awful. मैं बहुत ही खराब लग रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत ही डरावना लग रहा हूँ. मैं बहुत ही बुरा लग रहा हूँ. I look awful. While writing this, monkey ने क्या किया है? Monkey ने 2 mistakes किए हैं. Now children, let's find out the mistakes. See, सबसे पहले I. First letter is always capital. I look awful. So children, इसने एक गलती करी थी. I को इसने capital नहीं लगाया था. In my last video also मैंने ये कराया था आपको. Whenever we are writing the sentences, make sure that the first word is always capital. Okay, the first letter of the word is always capital. So this is the first letter. So this is capital, and you can end it with full stop. You can also end it with question mark. Agar if it is a question, you will end it with question mark. Now children, let's move to the next slide. Make sure the sentences always begins with a capital letter. Whenever we are writing a sentence, जब भी हम लोग sentence लिखते हैं, make sure that always we use capital letters and full stop लगाना मत भूलना. Now let's move to next slide. Put the letters in order to make a word. To have been done for you. Now what you have to do? See, इसको OT को उल्टा लिख दिया तो हमने इसको to बना दिया. यहाँ पे SI को हमने ES लिख दिया तो इसका क्या बन जाएगा? In the same way, EH will be he. That is HE, he. HE is he. Now we have GIB. ये कोई भी word नहीं है. इसको अपन जंबल करा हुआ है. तो what we will write the correct word is BIG, big. इसका हमने न्यू वर्ड बना दिया. That is BIG, big. Big का मतलब होता है बड़ा. Next, MIH. इसका क्या करेंगे? HIM, him. Next, SIH. What will be the new word for this? HIS, his. REH. इसका क्या करेंगे? HER. Her is the new word. Now last, NAC. NAC. इसका new word क्या बन जाएगा? CAN, can. Fine children, you can complete this. अगर आपको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो you can take the help from your parents. Now let's move ahead. Look at the pictures, count and write. Now can you see the picture? What you have to do? पहले मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ. Then we will start doing this. Count and write. Add S to the names of the animals. Count and write. Now यहाँ पे कितने जिराफ है? We have only one giraffe. देखो यहाँ पे जिराफ की जो नेक रहती है बहुत लंबी रहती है. And giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. So one giraffe. यहाँ पे giraffes लिख दिया है. यहाँ पे कितने giraffes है? 2 giraffes. Next, what is this? This is an elephant. कितने elephant है यहाँ पे? Only one. So what I will write here? One elephant. What will I write here? I will write one elephant. Now I will write elephants. Simply I will write S. Now इस वाले कॉलम में क्या करना है आपको? You have to count the numbers of the elephant. 1, 2 and 3. So children, how many elephants we have here? We have 3 elephants. So what will I write here? THREE 3. See, 1 elephant, 2 elephant and 3 elephant. Now let's move ahead. This is zebra. How many zebras we have here? We have only 1. So what will I write here? 1 zebra. ZEBRA, zebra. Now what are these? These are again zebras. How many zebras we have here? So simply we'll write here S because यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा zebras है. In the last column, what will I write here? 1, 2, 3 and 4 zebras. We have 4 zebras. Z-E-B-R-A-S. Next, what is this children? This is frog. Frog को अपन मेंढक भी बोलते हैं. So, frog usually comes in rainy season. So, what will I write here? How many frogs we have here? We have only one frog. So, what will I write here? O-N-E-1 F-R-O-G, frog. So, here we'll write frogs. In the next column, we have to count and write the number of the frogs. So, children, let's start counting the frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 frogs. We have 6 frogs. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. Fine, children. So, please complete this by yourself. I hope you have understood the chapter, children. Now, that's all for today, children. I hope you have liked this session. We'll meet you soon with the new video. Till then, bye, take care and stay blessed. Thank you.